Hey, welcome back. As you can see in the little hole that have in the top, I always put a bit of kitchen towel in there to stop it spraying up. In some of my posher machines there is a lid to this. Posher machines, I have got the Kenwood K-Mix, which is the love of my life, but I haven't got the KitchenAid at the moment. It is on my Christmas list, and hopefully the other half is going to watch this and know that I need a KitchenAid ASAP. Going to put it on the Christmas list and hopefully get it before Christmas on Black Monday or whatever they call that. Anyhow, I've taken the paper out of there. One thing I want to show you before we go any further is with most stand mixers, have a look in the bottom there. There's always a little bit left. So the good old silicone spoon, love them, can't live without a silicone spoon. Just get the old silicone spoon in the bottom and mix up any residue that is stuck at the bottom. I just thought I'd quickly come on with that. I'm going to do that and I'm going to put it on for another couple of minutes to make sure it's all mixed. So see you in the next bit.